Hi, it's me Jagan, and this is Great Himal Race. So right now we are at Kanchenjunga Base Camp, and we're going to start our race within 20 minutes. All the runners almost they arrive at the base camp. So this is Kanchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world after the Everest and K2, right there with the cloudy one.
Yo.
How are you feeling?
Feeling good. Little headache, but
Little headache, right?
feel good.
It'll go away, man.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's our crew. Bhai, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
Eh?
Bhai, अनि तपाईलाई
मलाई ठिकै छ.
हजुर हजुर
He's our famous runner, Upendra Bhai. So how are you?
ठिकै छ
ठिकै छ है. So one and only Nepali female runner. कस्तो छ तपाईँलाई?
एकदम ठीक.
Exciting? Okay, nice. So these are all our participants, and then seems like everybody ready. So we need to make it all the way to the other end.
We are lucky, very lucky today.
Yeah, beautiful weather, beautiful weather.
Perfect.
So, are you exciting?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are. I can see you are exciting. Hey man, how's it going? Yeah. Number 16. Yeah, it's more runner. Almost everybody arrived. Hello. Hey. Woohoo.
Can make the photo?
De toute façon, je te fais passer après les photos là.
One touch little. One touch little et after you.
Non, il y a de la place, il y a de la place. Recule. Viens, recule un peu, on recule un peu. Recule un peu. Recule un peu.
Sur les cales, montez sur les. Montez sur les rochers comme on voit.
Attendez, il manque.
René t'appelle.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here in Hilsa. So this is the finish line of the Great Himal Race, and we are all here now. Everybody seems happy, of course tired. Yeah, right in the bridge. This is Pranali. So it's next to the river is Tibet, China. Currently we are in Nepal. So this is the bridge between Tibet and Nepal. And if you cross the bridge, you'll be in Tibet. So right there you can see next to the river is a custom of Tibet or China, whatever you call it. And then yeah, it's beautiful around here. Small town, a lot of helicopters. People go to the Mount Kailas. A lot of Indians, pilgrims around. So yeah, it's great to be here. And here is our Nepali police guy providing the security for Nepal. Yes, Nepali police. Nice to see. This guy is doing a great job here. Okay, all our participants here. Oh, Jagan, so tell me. Ooh.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, great to be here. Hello everybody, this is Jagan, and currently I'm here in Hilsa. I just completed my Great Himal race, and I'm in a finish line. So yeah, it's been a lifetime experience, you know. It's walking through the whole entire country, and I really learned a lot of things, seen a lot of things, you know. It's life being changed. So yeah, and then yeah, it's very hard to believe. It's like I just completed, you know, valleys and forest. It's been a really amazing time. Sometimes pretty hard, but it's like, you know, it's part of the experience. then I'm really looking forward to see my family and my kids. Yeah.
Il est resté en 317 heures. Donc ce garçon, c'est Jagan.
Jagan! Jagan! Oh yeah!
Again, maybe you have to say something.
Oh, great. No. Sing the new song. Sing the new song.
You can sing.
Moi, je
The
peux chanter.
problem is I don't speak French, so if somebody can translate, that would be great. It's been really life-changing run through the whole entire country. I really like the sceneries and the mountain and everything. So it's like, even being as a Nepali, I didn't really realize that how the people live in the mountains. And this is a really great opportunity for myself and probably for everybody to know all about what is the real Nepal. So it's been really, it's a great experience to know how the people living, their culture, customs, and then it's like, the mountain, of course. That was really great, it's running with the glacier, river, and then it's followed the clouds, storms. This is really, this great experience, a lifetime experience for me. I learned a lot from everybody. So all the rounds, you guys was amazing. We just had fun and then interacting with each other. So yeah, the learning process in life is never ends until you die. So I learned so many things from this race. It's not only the race. So we all winner.